Hello everybody, welcome to Word 111. I am Hannah Schultz and I will be your professor or instructor for Word 111 this semester. Totally online. We're going to get through hopefully this, fingers crossed, last semester of mostly online classes. It'll go great. We'll move past it. We'll have a great fall, hopefully back to normal. So I wanted to start here with kind of an introductory video, just kind of introducing you to the Canvas page and maybe me a little bit. So I have some pictures of animals for you because that's my whole entire life. So these these are all my pets. First here we've got my cat Bizou. And she's actually eating dinner in the room right now. So if you hear the tinkling of a food bowl, that is her. Then we've got Francis, the relatively new addition to the family. He was adopted this past summer, and he is absolutely insane. You'll probably hear him in any recorded lecture meowing for attention, trying to get us to feed him, zooming all over the place. So watch out for that. He is very cute though. And then lastly, I've got two Great Pyrenees who you will definitely hear barking in the background of most of the videos as well. I live in a house with a lot of animals. And that is also my husband, Ryan, not one of my pets, but that is the whole family. It's a fun time. Lots of pet hair in my house and on my clothing. Okay, so I, besides that, I am a PhD student here at the university, getting my PhD in English literature. I have a Master's of Fine Arts degree from Minnesota, where I just spent the past 3 years. But I am originally from Lexington or Nicholasville, and I am very, very happy to be back and teaching you all. Very excited for this semester. So, the first things first, the Canvas page is where you will want to spend a lot of time. The students who do best in this class spend more time on Canvas. And secrets out, your professors can actually check how much time you spend on their Canvas page. Slightly creepy, but you know, we care, so better than the NSA watching you, I suppose. So So this semester we're going to be talking about argumentation, we're going to be talking about issues of public concern. Obviously, COVID will be a big one that we talk about in a lot of the examples this semester, but we will be touching on a lot of different issues, hopefully important topics that are going to transcend this class, and you'll be equipped with critical thinking skills that are going to prepare you for real life, hopefully. As for the Canvas page itself, you can check out this How to Navigate This Course little section on the home page that will tell you, you look at the announcements, you should probably read the syllabus, go to modules, and then it also really importantly has my email on it, and then reminds you that you can also send a Canvas message by clicking inbox over here and typing in my name and sending that to me through Canvas as well. I do have office hours Wednesdays and Fridays from 1 to 2, and that just means that those are times that I've set aside for you guys. If you want to have a in-person, quote-unquote, video call on Zoom, I can do that, or if you just want to email, whatever is best for you. I've set aside that time for you specifically, but I am also available by appointment, and that you'll just schedule through email or Canvas messages. Anytime you want to meet with me, maybe through Zoom or something like that, just email me or send me a message through Canvas and we can get that figured out. I'm generally pretty free. So I'm usually available for you guys. So as you can see on announcements, the first announcement probably popped up for you guys on when you clicked on the Canvas page. You might have even gotten an email about it if you have that enabled. This is where I put the suggested schedule for completing all of your assignments every week and doing the readings, that sort of thing. As we get deeper into the course, obviously this will get a little longer. There'll be more to do every week. But every assignment, generally speaking, sometimes we'll have assignments due during the week, but generally speaking, most assignments are due Friday of every week. But I have broken it up since this is a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class. If you're in my section 30 class, this applies to you as well. Both my section 15 and section 30 classes are on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I've broken it up so that you're not trying to do everything on Friday, which is a very, very bad idea. Make sure you're breaking it up, pretending like, oh, we still have an hour of class on Mondays and Wednesdays as well. That way you get in a routine of pretending like, hey, I need to sit down and do my Word 111 homework. So this is just for you guys to maybe schedule out your weeks using some time management skills a little better. The next thing that you want to look at is modules. This is the most important thing here, where it breaks down. These are all of the assignments that are due. I know that looks like a daunting amount. I know it's not. It just looks that way. And then any reading assignments that you have. These will become available. I'm going to make the week 2 one available here in a minute. But these will come available before you have to even look at them. And they just include any reading assignments. This week, it's just your syllabus. But for instance, next week, you'll have a very, very short essay. And then this reading assignment as well due. So you might have reading assignments, you might have PowerPoints. You don't have any this week, but you'll have one next week. And then any sort of assignment will also be indicated here under, whatever the due date is. So for instance, this week you have a discussion board post under introductions here. You're just introducing yourself. You have a syllabus quiz, so you'll have to read my syllabus and then go complete that quiz. This quiz here isn't a real quiz. It's for me to gauge what you might have learned in your Word 110 class. That way I know what I need to cover in this class and how many people are going to need it for review versus learning it the first time. So don't get stressed out about this. And then free writes are generally either reading responses or just general questions that you can write a little bit about every week. They aren't really high stakes or anything. As you can see, there's just 3 quick questions that are kind of asking you to reflect on your previous experiences, maybe with writing or research or the dreaded group project, which we will be doing in this class. So it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Hopefully the Canvas page is pretty intuitive for you all. I have tried to design it to the best of my ability to be intuitive. If anyone has any questions about anything for this first week, please let me know. Otherwise, I will leave it at that, and I will see you all in person, or not in person, but over video at some point soon this semester, either for individual conferences or later on for our first big class meeting. In the meantime, if you have questions, concerns, email me here or send me a Canvas message. And I hope you guys have a great first week back to campus.